Hello, Helen, your Wellbeing Advisor again. So to continue the discussion about crystals, I'm going to give you some information on something that's called a crystal grid, which might be something you've seen online. A crystal grid is a really beautiful mandala, and it's made of crystals and stones, and you could use other natural objects as well. So the beautiful thing about creating a crystal grid is that for me it's like a little prayer. So they work on your intention basically. So you are either using it to manifest something that you want in your life, or you're trying to create some kind of healing, because you could set it up to send healing to yourself or someone else. So it really is the more intention that you have behind the crystal grid, the more powerful the result will be. So when you set up your own crystal grid, again, I feel really strongly that you need to let your intuition guide you. There's a lot of stuff online that will tell you how to do certain things, certain crystals to use, but for me, you need to use the crystals that you're drawn to. Now, there are certain crystals for certain issues, so that's absolutely fine. Do use those and use the guidance if necessary, but this is a really personal thing to do. So what you need to do to make one is you need to have a space in your house, like you'd have a little table, you could put it on the floor, it could even be a small one on the windowsill, and you need to really decide what your intention is and then kind of write it down. So what do you want to manifest? What is it that you're wanting to achieve? And writing it down is a really powerful way to anchor your intention. Then you get a central crystal that you're going to put in the middle. And this can again be whichever one you want to have and that you're drawn to, and you need to sit with it, and with your own intention in it, you need to hold the crystal and visualize what you are wanting to do the crystal grid for. So you're putting your intention into that crystal grid, you are saying what you want, and then you're visualizing that happen. You could even put your piece of paper where you've written it down under the crystal if it'll fit, you know, something like that. So either way, basically you just need to spend some time initially, this is the important part, you know, putting your intention in a positive way while you hold the crystal. Okay, so then following this, you can select around about 8, but again, it's your choice, of different crystals. Try and do them where they're similar sizes and shapes. You could also use other things like flowers or twigs or something like that, and you kind of set them out then from the middle in kind of a circle. So cover the 4 different directions like you would across, and just have fun with it. I mean, look online, there's loads of examples. Some people do it on something with an actual mandala or a pattern already on, and obviously if you're very serious about it, go ahead, but you can do this yourself anyway. If you don't have that, you could just do it on a bit of material. Like I said, you can just do it on a table. It's all about your intention basically. So have your intention in the initial crystal. If you can find a crystal that resonates with what you want, or that you feel is the right one, do that. And then yeah, set them out, put like at least 4 lines then of other little crystals, using as many as you want, and that kind of forms your grid. So when you've done that, you need to spend some time every day with that grid, so you can then say your prayer or visualize again your intention. You're basically sending positive energy to this. So you know, have fun with it, and it's a way for you to interact with the universe and to use the power of intention and to use the power of manifestation. So again, have a look at our crystals that are available on Mood Essential Oils, and everything that we sell comes with free delivery as well. So yeah, have fun and enjoy your crystal grid.